Assalamu alaikum. How are you students? I hope you are doing well. Today we are learning blur words. Here you can see some pictures on this whiteboard with blur. Blur act black. Your hair is black. Blur ock block. Blur you blue. Blur are the blood. And do you know what is the color of your blood? Here are some more words with blur. So let's see how do we read them. Blur at blood, blur bloom, blur on blonde, blur are blur. Blur aim blame, blur eat bleed, blur I'm blind, blur aid blade. Now let me do two activities with word blur. Here is activity 1 with blur blending. Blur. On the first line you can see ob. Blur ob blob. Then you can see ought. Blur ought blot. Ink. Blur ink blink. O. Blur o blow. S. Blur s bless. Now let me do activity number 2. Here is activity number 2. Fill in the missing words. You can see some blur words in the box and you have to use these words to fill the missing gaps. The first one is, the color of my coat is black. I can dash my eyes. I can blink my eyes. This big wall is made with blocks. The third word is block. Abdullah cut himself with a blade. This man cannot see. He is blind. I hope you got it and you are able to read blur words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.